Good afternoon. We're here today to unwrap our new tool. We've needed one for about 6 months to replace the one that we have. The one that we have, the battery's gone and the charger has gone. So this is a weighty item. You can see I was tossing it up and down in the air there. My husband opened it yesterday and had a quick look inside, but I just thought I would show it to you. This is the Milwaukee drill. This handy carry case is a lot more robust than other things, and so it should be. It's a lot more expensive than other tools that we've bought. You open it, the catches are pretty nice and sturdy. It's definitely a box that will keep the drill safe. Now let's have a look inside. You certainly couldn't carry anything else in this box, I don't think. But what do I know? I'm just the wife of the person who needs the drill. So there we have the handy carry book. It's got some pages, obviously. Excuse my cough. I was particularly tickled by the page. Let's see if I can find it now. That page, yes, which shows how you can hook. The gentleman can hook the handy drill to their belt somehow. Maybe that's what I find later on in the box. Who knows? Right, so there we have the replacement battery. So you can have one battery on charge while you're using the other one. And then we've got the drill. It's pretty heavy. I mean, you know, you need to be quite strong to lift that and use it all day, I would say. You're certainly going to build your muscles. Got some little handy tools on the side there. That catch is obviously for getting the battery off. Now let's see how I can get the battery off. How am I going to manage that? It's made for much bigger hands than mine, you know, that can pinch that battery in on both sides. You wiggle it, and now I'm looking at the other battery to see how that slides. And I think by comparing that battery, there, that was a lot easier. So it clips on and it clips off. Let's see if I can clip it on. Yep, no worries about that. Excuse my cough. So that's the spare battery there. And then we go over to the, what have I got there? Ah, that's the charging point. So that looks pretty self-explanatory. Then we've got that weird thing. Do you think that's the belt hook? Who knows? Who alone knows? What is that for? I don't know. Maybe we'll find out in future. It doesn't fit on there. And then I discover in the corner something. Was that left behind? That's a tiny little screw. Tiny little screw there. Who knows what that's for? I'm sure it'll all come clear in the end. So anyway, that's what we have inside the Milwaukee drill. The socket, the plug, the British one obviously. So I hope you enjoyed looking inside, and we'll see you again for something else that we've had to buy and open. It's my son that says that people like to see inside boxes. Oh, am I having problems closing it? Ah, well, just slam it down. Press it down like that and it'll close just fine. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bye for now.